I'm Tim.
And this is Aurmine. Aurmine started as a port city with industry and a river connecting to the ocean. We use this river to ship our goods all around the world. Eventually, this river was dammed up to create our now recreational lake. In this South American tropical climate, our citizens are as comfortable as possible. Aurmine contains 250,000 citizens, and 15% of them are cancer patients as a result of our exquisite healthcare. Aurmine has many features that make it enjoyable to live in. Healthcare is accessible to all and helps all patients. We have green zones and parks placed throughout our city that make it a place where citizens can relax. In Aurmine Gardens, it is our vertical agricultural building that lets more plants grow in less space. And in Aurmine Levels, which is our vertical residential area, it provides a place for 42 houses and many families to do their favorite activities inside the complex.
Aurmine's minimal pollution is due to our solar cars that run strictly off of electricity. Our factories are positioned far away from any residential area and generate minimal pollution.
Energy sources in Aurmine are 100% renewable and clean, generating excess energy that we can then sell to other cities. Receiving an abundant supply of sunlight, we use solar and photosynthesis energy sources. Our solar panels are multi-junction and capture 3 types of light, making them 3 times as efficient as regular solar panels. In Aurmine's dam, we use hydroelectricity, using the force of water to spin electricity generating turbines. Also, in Aurmine sidewalks, we use a transformation process of energy that transforms the kinetic energy of footsteps into electricity. To heat water, we use the heat from the roads that the sunlight beats down on all day, and then we transfer that to the pipes, which heat the water inside. For space efficiency in between buildings, we have wind turbines, which are connected to the skywalks, and Aurmine's grids are good enough that wind can keep energy stable.
Aurmine has a unique, efficient, and even profitable way of cleaning sewage. First, we have toilets that recycle urine, taking the phosphates and minerals from it and turning it into safe fertilizer pellets that can be used or sold. We also have a process called reverse osmosis that we use on rainwater and sewage. The sludge left over from this process can be made into electricity by breaking down the proteins, fats, and sugars from it. That creates a steady stream of electrons which go into the electrode and then into the cathode, creating electricity and hydrogen which we can burn cleanly. Aurmine's collection process is ingenious. We have green roofs placed throughout our city that we have a bottom layer of that collects water that soaks through the dirt. We also have pipes underneath our roads, and our roads consist of porous cement that allows water molecules to seep through and collect in the underground pipes. Our pipes are laid with a liner called Instamane that makes it strong enough so that it can withstand the turbulent forces of the pipes, and it is sealed with hot water or steam.
Transportation is wonderful in Aurmine because we use solar cars that run exclusively on electricity, gathering more energy as they move. Solar garages throughout our city have solar panels on them that collect energy throughout the day, and then at night when the cars are parked in them, the energy is transferred down to the power mats, therefore giving the cars electricity. Even roads are smart in Aurmine, containing 0.1% carbon nanotubes that not only make them hard to crack, but it also makes them smart roads that heal themselves. Potholes are a minor problem in Aurmine because as cars drive past them, the potholes are sensed and the information is sent to control centers. We have maglevs, which are specifically designed for high-speed travel, placed at interest points all around our city. Along with this, there is a car in the back of the maglev trains that has the same equipment that is in ambulances to make a comfortable and caring experience for the emergency patients on their way to the hospital.
Innovative medical technology is used every day when doctors in Aurmine use nanotechnology to cure cancer. They use the combination of a tumor-killing agent named tumor necrosis factor alpha and a chemical which hides the tumor-killing agent from the body's immune system named polyethylene glycol and a gold nanoparticle. This combination is named Aurmine, our city's namesake. Doctors also use nanotubes coated in folic acid that they inject into cancer patients to cure cancer. The folic acid creates an attraction between the nanotubes and cancer cells. Once the cancer cells absorb the nanotubes, doctors are able to fire an infrared laser at them, heating up the nanotubes and killing the cells. Citizens of Aurmine may take a capsule containing nanobots that monitor their health daily. Citizens and their doctors can get information from the nanobots through the same technology that phones use to send messages. Whenever there is something alarming in the citizen's health, they can get on a screen with a doctor on a high-tech camera on anything with a screen in the city. There are therapeutic parks placed throughout Aurmine that provide a relaxing place for cancer patients to get through this horrible disease.
For Aurmine to be spectacular, we need engineers. This is the reason for our engineering center. Our electrical engineers have made our renewable energy sources possible, while our civil engineers have made the megaliths that stretch across town. Our architectural engineers have designed all homes, while our biomedical engineers have helped our citizens with their health. In Aurmine, we believe that by using as many clean and renewable sources of energy as possible, we will create a clean and prosperous planet. Aurmine is an advanced city where all citizens are joyful. From its solar projects to its nanobots, it is a place for all people. Aurmine works very hard with its government services to keep its citizens both safe and happy. Aurmine's infrastructure is exceptional, with its waste-to-energy system and maglev train. Thank you for visiting the breathtaking and innovative city of Aurmine.